In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Slack. Slack is a powerful communication tool that's widely used in workplaces around the globe, helping teams collaborate effectively. Whether you're joining for the first time or setting up a workspace for a group project, this guide will walk you through the steps you need to join Slack with ease. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Slack website. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and typing in slack.com. Once there, you'll see the option to sign in, usually located at the top right corner of the page. It's a straightforward button to click on, especially if you're already familiar with various online platforms. Now, if you don't have a Slack account yet, a popular method is to sign in using your Google account. When you click on the Google option, it streamlines the process by linking your Slack account to your existing Google credentials. This means you won't have to remember another password, which is always a plus. After clicking on the Google option, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. This might display a list of Google accounts that are currently logged in on your browser. Choose the appropriate account, typically the one associated with your work or the one you'll be using most frequently for Slack communications. Once you've selected your Google account, a Continue button will appear. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, Slack will process your request to create or join a workspace using your selected account credentials. If your email address has already been invited by an existing workspace, you're almost done. If not, you'll see the option to create a new workspace. Creating a workspace is particularly useful if you're setting up Slack for the first time for a new project or team. Click on Create a Workspace and follow the on-screen prompts. Slack guides you step by step, ensuring the creation process is as painless as possible, and you'll end up with your own workspace where you can add teammates. Finally, after following the instructions, you should find yourself on the Slack homepage or dashboard. This is the hub where all your Slack communications and channels will appear. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You can customize channels, send direct messages, and explore other settings to make your Slack experience more productive. And there you have it, a seamless way to begin your journey on Slack. Whether you're a newcomer or setting up a workspace, these steps ensure you're ready to dive into the world of streamlined team communication. Happy Slacking!